Well, hello there, YouTube. It is Friday. I'll see if I change my clock. Nope, it's 4. It's actually 5:15. I didn't change this one either. I stopped here last night and changed my spider because it was an hour behind. I didn't change either one of them for daylight savings time. So anyway, I went outside this morning and it was like in the 70s, like 72 degrees. And then the rains came. We got a lot of rain. I got a metal roof on the shop, and when it rains, it is loud, especially when it really pours. It's just super loud. And that's where my office is in the shop. But I have sometimes I have Zoom meetings and I can't even hear. I'm gonna change my clock again. Hold on. This one's a lot easier. Set up. Sorry. There we go. Hour 5:15. Oh, that's a lot easier than the spider. Lord, one button. But I mowed last night. I knew it was going to rain today, so I actually got my mowing done. I got a lot more mowing now that we cleared out some of the back. I didn't go all the way back because I got more kind of brush in between the trees to clear out and some sticks, and I don't want to run over a bunch of sticks, so I'll get back there. We're trying to get it done eventually. It's just taking a little while. I had it cleared out, just got to clean some of the brush and sticks and put them on a pile. I brought a jacket just because it can be a little cool. 66. It's in the low 60s. I think it was 62 on my refrigerator, but it was 71 when I went out this morning. But I like it cooler because it was like 80 earlier this week. A couple days it was like 80, so I like it a little bit cooler. This is perfect riding weather in the 60s. It's so nice. I'm riding the Goldwing, as you can see. I ride them both all the time, and now that the weather's getting much better, I can ride a little bit more often until it gets really hot. Then I won't ride. You gotta watch this. This is dangerous. These people exit off, and if you're not watching, they have to jump right over here, and I've had people not stop, and you almost hit them. Just kind of weird. Caddo Mills, that's where I live, in Caddo Mills. I like Caddo Mills. Came from Leander, which is just the Austin area, and it got so crowded there. It was just terrible. I couldn't even get on my county road out of my neighborhood because it's just like a freeway going from the toll roads back to the, you just can't, you can sit there forever and not cross the road. So I'm so glad to be somewhere where it's a little bit better. A lot better. But if you go into Dallas, it can be a mess too. Sometimes I'll take the back way.